thought it would pair nicely with your outfit.
Are you serious right
Oh my
now?
God.
Oh my God, Austin. Wow.
What the Oh my God. Holy no way. Okay. We'll wrap it up, just in case. Yeah. Yeah. It did. But I believe it came off a little bit cleaner. Not to say you don't have to look, but. Oh yeah, that's already happened in a lot of places.
I know.
It's amazing.
What did she do?
19? It's brand new. It's brand new.
Oh, and it's got the fifth thing I'm using it.
It's got, oh, great. I mean, it could be a headache if you're not using it all the time, but at least you have it and it's set up.
These are the best parts ever.
Hi, I'm looking for some manager.
I can help you. Yeah.
Okay, which manager can I see?
Yeah, I can help you out.
Okay, you manager?
I'm the owner. Yeah.
Manager here.
The manager?
Yeah.
We have. Did you talk to one of our managers about a job or something? I can. Let me grab.
So that was your Corvette driving in. You didn't tell us you bought it.
Do you have a contact? Or keys so we could at least get it parked? We are excited to work with the Tint team in 2024. Eagerly anticipate the opportunities ahead. In celebration of our new partnership, we got you this car. We thought it would pair nicely with your outfit.
Are you serious right
Oh
now?
my God.
You're kidding. Oh my God, Austin. Wow.
From Tint.
Oh my God.
No. Serious?
Holy
Can I give you a key?
Oh my God.
Congratulations. Good job.
Where'd you pick it up from? Like, I don't believe Colin. They don't know I'm serious right now.
Okay, I got his.
And I swear to God, I'm gonna keep this. Yes, I want to see. Are you?
Hey, Tint. I'm doing great. We just got this car dropped off with a note from you.
Austin's not gonna be happy if he's with me.
And Austin.
Is he serious?
It's a Corvette. So what's the deal?
No way.
They pick it up.
And is there 2 keys or just
No,
one?
just one.
Just one? Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Holy shit. Alright, let's go on a drive. No way. Are you I don't even know how to drive this thing. Oh. Okay. Holy. No way. No way they did this. Oh, there's no back seat. There's no way. This has to be not for keeps, but regardless, it's still sick, even if it's just give it back in a few months. Are you kidding me?
How many miles does he have?
2,800. 2,800 miles. I don't even know what year this is. What? Dude, I'm scared because I don't feel like I'm in my car. What the?
He has 3 cameras. That's crazy.
Dude, this can't be real. We literally have to go straight to the gas station. We're going to the gas station. No way. This thing has to probably take 91. No way. No way they actually did this. Oh my god! Holy 44 tools! Are you kidding me? Fuck yeah! Are you kidding me? Watch them come out and say that I'm pumped. Holy I'm like afraid to get excited because I'm afraid someone's gonna go, okay, obviously we didn't get you a car! Holy sick! With the white interior though? Come on, come on! No way it could be real. This has to be a prank, but all the power to them. Like if they're even just f***ing with me, it's a sick thing to do.
I think that this would be a deal. Damn, this is fast, man. This is fast.
God. No way.
So how are you feeling right now?
No fuck. I feel like they're being f***ing with me. There's no way they're just f***ing giving me a car. That would be insane. That would be insane. I'm putting gas in this thing because it's on E. What the? I mean, I cannot see them playing a f***ing prank on me and potentially pissing me off. But at the same time, it's almost exactly hard. Oh my god, I'm freaking shaking. Like I can't even work a gas pump. I'm so freaking excited. There's no way. Oh my god. I feel like I need, if this is real, I'm getting a 44 Tools tattooed on me. That's just a fact. If this is real and they're not punking me, I'm getting a 44 Tools tattoo on me. Dude, this thing's literally brand new. Holy shit. I'm afraid that I gotta return it and then I have to do an inspection because I'm gonna be accused of returning it with damage.
Hey Tim, how are you?
How are you?
Oh, I forget that you guys are like so many hours ahead. It's dark out.
It's like, is it dark where he is?
So yeah, I just wanted to call and say thank you. Like, what the heck?
Absolutely, we love you guys.
That was totally unexpected.
Is he doing all right? Did he have a heart attack?
He might have shed a tear or two. Well, he was just
That's a great day. I mean, that's a great day getting a car like that, right?
Yeah, no, he was just saying like if you guys were messing with him, he was gonna kill you.
Yeah, definitely. I wouldn't mess with anyone that way. You gotta be real with it. So.
Well, yeah, thank you so much, and we're definitely excited to work together after all these years.
Yeah, we are too, man. So stoked. I'm a big fan of Austin and love what you guys do. I mean, the Institute just goes right along with, kind of where our ethos is. So I'm stoked about it.
Cool. Awesome. Well, I appreciate it.
Sure. Take care.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye.
Dude, this is literally... I'm just as excited to get back to the shop to figure out the details on whether or not this is a return thing, in couple weeks thing. Is this a Toro? That would make sense. No, that would make sense. If it's a Toro, that would make no sense. I know I could increase their sales, but not like this. Ooh, it's already on country? No. They didn't set the country stations for me. No, they didn't set the country stations for me. Look at them. Holy shit. This is the car we've been talking about the last 3 years, ever since they came out. Oh my god. That makes no sense. I don't know if it's a coincidence. I don't know if Michaela's in on it. I don't know. Like, I talked to Tim, but he seems so nonchalant that I just feel like something else is going on. Get a bath ASAP. It's freaking dirty. This thing needs a bath today. I can't treat 44 tools like that with a dirty whip. Gotta put their sticker on the back window right here. You don't see these blue ones. We see red ones, white ones, black ones. I can't say I've ever seen this blue color in person. And it doesn't have the black rims. It's got the silver rims. That's the only thing that's making me think that it's real, because it does match the outfit I wear all the time. Like, what does your instinct say? Like, do you think they're with me? Do you think that it's returning in a few months? Do you think it's a rental? Either way, I appreciate it.
I think they're thinking long term with you.
No,
that's a
way.
Good thing. They trust you.
No way.
They know that you're gonna do a great job promoting their brand.
Built in Boeing, Green, Kentucky, USA. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Mark. Oh, wow. Maybe this was specially built for someone, which makes sense. It has 2,800 miles. Dude, if somebody had this specially built for them and then traded it in, oh my God, I'm so thankful for all the followers on the Tinstitute, because obviously nothing like this would happen without the followers. It's all about the followers. I literally can't believe this right now. I'm sorry. It's annoying. I'm annoying myself. Keep saying shit. I just can't believe this. I'm gonna give it a phone back. I'll give it a phone back.
shade and it just looks so dull. But you get out in the sun and metallic sparkle on it looks real nice.
God, it's so close. I don't see this color very often. I see red, white, black, silver. I can't say I've ever seen one of these in person. This color.
I've seen like
Not at our shop.
I've seen like 2 out in the wild. But,
Oh my god.
and then the one random orange one that you see around town.
Yeah, that's tight too.
But yeah, that's real nice.